Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into ERPNext, the open source ERP solution that's making waves in the business world. Can this free platform really compete with enterprise systems costing six figures? ERPNext offers comprehensive business management tools, including accounting, inventory, CRM, and project management. The system provides real-time reporting, automated workflows, and multi-currency support. Installation requires technical knowledge, but cloud hosting options are available. The interface is modern and intuitive compared to traditional ERP systems. Customization capabilities are extensive through Python scripting and app marketplace. Community support is active with regular updates and security patches. However, implementation complexity can be challenging for non-technical teams. Advanced features may require developer assistance. Limited third-party integrations compared to paid alternatives exist. Performance can vary based on server configuration and database optimization. The platform works well for small to medium businesses seeking cost-effective ERP solutions. Manufacturing, retail, and service companies have successfully implemented ERPNext globally. That's our complete breakdown of ERPNext. What's your experience with open-source business tools? Share your thoughts below.